Hi everybody, I've got some really exciting news. It has been years that I've wanted to show you this. We finally cracked something new and I really need your help with it. So here it is, a brand new beta test of some unbelievable materials. I'm just so excited. Here they are. Oh my gosh, they're called changes and they are 4 unbelievably magical colour changing inks, and they're going to help all of us make work that we could never ever make before. So I don't know about you, but when I was a kid I had these pens, and when I drew with them they changed colour. They were magic colour changing pens, and I always dreamed about being able to dip my paintbrush in them and use them on a big proper artistic painting. And I don't understand why nobody's made an art material like this before, but we finally cracked it. Let's take a look at what these actually do. Great, so let's have a look. Oh my gosh, look at this colour. This is the pinky one. Now let's just undo it. Oh, that's a bit stiff. I didn't get where I am today by having bunged up tubes. Right, let's see how this goes. Diddly diddly dee. And you can actually brush it. I'm so excited. Oh, wow, look at that colour. Why do I get so excited about colours? Look how thick it is. If you put it on, oh, lovely, look at that. I don't know if it's coming out in the camera, but that is one gorgeous colour. Now, let's see what happens with this one. And these are so pigmented. These are like really lovely inks. Look at that colour. It's like a really rich blue. And look how pigmented it is. It's so flat and gorgeous. It's lovely ink. I mean, you could use this for anything, couldn't you? I mean, you could do some illustrations with it. You could even use it in like life drawing. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Now, it may go on. Oh yes, a lovely orange. But here's the secret, amazing, wonderful, exciting thing. This is where the magic happens. Now, normally you can't put a light colour over a dark colour, and it's a nightmare. But not anymore, because watch, we can actually eat away the blue with the orange. The potential of that is unbelievable. Look at it. Oh, that is so exciting. And look what happens when we do it across the pink. And wait for it. Look at it, it's just doing it in front of my eyes. I absolutely love it. That is so exciting. And then, as if that wasn't enough, look at what this 4th one does. This is brilliant. This is so brilliant. Okay, here we go. Ready? We can actually change the colour of the blue into the orange and delete the pink. How useful is that for our work? I mean, it's unbelievable. But here's where you come in. I need some amazing, creative, brilliant human beings to help me test this stuff. So what I'd like to do is send you these 4 colours in this envelope, and when you get it, please scan this QR code, fill in the little survey and let me know what you think about them so that we can finalise the formula and share it with artists all over the world. I am so excited to see what you make with this. I can't even imagine where you're going to go with it. So please use the hashtag Culture Hustle so I see it all. I love you so much. Enjoy the changes. Yeah.